Oh, look at that face. Oh, only a mother could love that face.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, leave them. Good God.
She doesn't get sick.
It's just like the picture. This is how I envisioned it.
Wormy, you had most of a piece of cake. I turn around, cut 3 pieces, and
It's all gone.
there's just rubble.
Everyone else in the nose.
Look how it was good cake. Of course I ate it.
Nice and refreshing.
Good cake, Kelly. Good with the banana.
Nice and real refreshing.
Did you have them in the center? How does the center get so nice and cold?
I put it together last night and then refrigerated it overnight.
Pretty cool.